What's going, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. Today I want to show you in this video how to build in Blender photorealistic heap of stones from scratch step by step. After that I will show you how to add snow to this heap of stones. After opening Blender, let's reopen our previous project where we showed you how to make rocks. After that, we will delete the following elements. Now we will move the rock up by clicking on G, then Z, and then on 3. Next, we go to Edit, then to Preferences, and then to Add-on, and we write Cell. And finally, we turn on Cell Fracture. Finally, we close the window. Now we go to Object, then we go to Quick Effect, and after that we click on Cell Fracture. A new window will appear. To break our rock into several pieces, here are the parameters I used. In order to apply these parameters, just click on OK. Now we wait a few seconds so that it can break up our rock. And delete the original rock, name it Iosphere, since we don't need it anymore. By the way, delete also the snow collection. Now click on Display the object as wire edges. Then select the whole rock. After that, click on Transform Pivot Point and select individual origins. Thereafter, select a piece of your rock by clicking on Shift plus left mouse button on a part of the rock. Now, click on Physics Properties, then click on Rigid Body. Next, I choose in Shape Convex Hull. After that, click on Surface Response and change the friction value to 0.85. Next, click on Sensitivity and check Collision Margin. Then decrease the margin value. For my part, I choose the value 0.004. Now, go to Object, then Rigid Body, and click on Copy from Active, so that each part of the rock will have the same setting as those we just set. Now click on Shift plus A and go to Mesh, and then click on Plane. Next, give it a size of 20 meters. Now go to Physics Properties and click on Rigid Body. Next, in Type, choose Passive, because the plane will be fixed. Now, reselect the rock. Next, choose Timeline. Then click on Play to start the simulation. After that, I decide to stop the simulation at 32 because I consider the position of each element of the rock to be satisfactory. Now I select the isolated element and I delete them by clicking on the Delete button. Afterward, I select all the stones obtained by taking into account not to select the plane. To deselect the plane, you just have to click on Shift plus click with the left mouse button on the plane. Otherwise, you can select all the stones by selecting all the names of each stone as follows. Next, go to Object, then Rigid Body, and click on Apply Transformation. Then, let's reset the simulation to 0 and join all the stones by clicking on Ctrl plus G. We get a single name for all the stones. We are now going to change its name to recognize it easily. We notice when we move it that we are moving a single object made of several stones. Now we click on Display Render Preview. We notice that we get a pile of stones that is close to the reality. Now we adjust the light. After that, we add a camera and adjust it as follows. Now that we have adjusted our view, we will add some snow. If you want details on how to get the snow, you can find the link in the upper right corner of this video or in the description box below. To make snow, select the heap of stone. Then click on the little triangle on the side. A sidebar will appear. By the way, you can also make this bar appear by clicking on the button N. After that, go to Real Snow and select the following settings. And to finish, click on Add Snow. We get snow on the pile of stone. This is how I made the snow-covered pile of stones. If you enjoyed this video or learned anything, leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.